the LG V40 user here, and today I'm doing a video about Sprint. So I'm on Android30.com here, and it says here, buy LG V40 from Sprint, get a free 49-inch 4K TV. So this is pretty fucking cool, guys. So if you guys are interested in this deal, check this deal out from Sprint. This is a pretty cool deal. So shout out to Sprint and LG for this. So if you guys buy an LG V40 ThinQ from Sprint, y'all guys can get a free 49-inch 4K TV. So that is pretty cool there. So that's what the TV looks like right there. Nice looking TV. It's 4K, you know, nice and all that. The V40 looks nice and all that good stuff, you know. You know, it has great specs on it. Has 5 cameras on it, 3 in the back, 2 in the front. So let's go check out this deal from Sprint. Alright. It says here, the LG V40 ThinQ brings quite a few innovative features to the table, but we understand if the high price puts you off a little. Thankfully, Sprint has a rather enticing deal if you ever been thinking about the triple camera flagship. The US carrier is giving away a free 49-inch 4K LED TV to customers who purchase the LG V40 on a new line. To take advantage of this offer, you will either need to buy the phone outright or on a Sprint Flex 18-month lease. Alright, so keep that in mind. If you guys want to get this deal, you guys have to buy the LG V40 from Sprint outright or get it on the Sprint Flex leasing plan. Alright, so do keep that in mind. To further sweeten the deal, Sprint is cutting down the V40's lease from $20 a month to $20 a month, so it'll be $20 a month for the LG V40, which isn't too bad. So you're basically getting a 4K TV and a top-end flagship for paltry $20 a month. So that's pretty dope right there. To get in on the action, you will need to first buy the phone and activate it within 7 days of purchasing. You will need to have to claim the TV via the second button below. Expect the TV to deliver in 6 to 8 weeks. The deal is valid until December 2nd, 2018. Although you have until December 16th to claim your TV. So this deal goes until Sunday, December 2nd, 2018. But you have until the 16th of December to claim your TV if you guys are interested in this. So check it out. It's a pretty cool deal. The deal is also seems to be retroactively applied to devices bought from November 9th, according to the terms and conditions. Then again, there are 2 sets of terms and conditions, and neither covers the period between November 12th and November 20th. Go figure. In any event, you are getting a feature packed smartphone if you do opt for LG's latest high-end device. The phone packs 2 cameras on the front and a rear-facing triple camera setup, normal, wide, and telephoto lens. Alright, so the V40 has 5 cameras, 3 in the back, 2 in the front. It has other noteworthy features include IP68 water dust resistance, a headphone jack, quad deck, audio hardware, and wireless charging. Interested in this deal? Then you can buy the phone and claim your TV via the buttons below. So I will have a link to those in the description of this video. So this is a cool deal, man. You guys have till December 2nd to get this deal. To get the V40 for $20 a month. You guys got till the 16th to claim your free 49-inch 4K TV. So if you guys are interested in that, you guys have to get a new line. You either have to buy out the V40 outright or get it on the Sprint Flex 18-month lease plan if you guys are interested in that. So like I said, this deal goes until December 2nd, which is this coming Sunday, but you have to claim the TV by December 16th, alright? So yeah, so if you guys are interested in this deal, check it out at Sprint, man. It's a pretty cool deal. A free 4K TV, it's a fucking win. The TV looks very nice and stuff like that, so yeah, it's a great deal in my opinion, man. So shout out to Sprint and LG for this. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video. Look at you guys in the next one. Peace out.